we have types of redox reaction. So what are the type of redox reaction, children? We have already studied about this in class 10th. So first is combination reaction. Okay, combination reaction. So what are combination reaction?
So two or more reactant combine to form a single product.
Okay, very good. Then we have decomposition reaction. Then we have displacement reaction.
Displacement.
Displacement reaction. Then we have,
Disproportionate.
हाँ अब इसमें इसमें जैसा अब हम 10th की बात करेंगे. सो इन क्लास 10th आफ्टर डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शन वी वर हैविंग डबल डिस्प्लेसमेंट. लेकिन डबल डिस्प्लेसमेंट
Yes.
एग्जैक्टली क्या है बेटा? डबल डिस्प्लेसमेंट इज नॉट ए रेडॉक्स रिएक्शन. फाइन.
Yes.
तो हियर एक नया टाइप हमारे पास है बेटा. एंड दिस न्यू टाइप ऑफ रिएक्शन वी कॉल इट एज व्हाट? दिस न्यू टाइप ऑफ रिएक्शन वी कॉल इट एज दिस proportionation reaction.
Yes.
Fine.
Yes. सर किसी एक सिंगल एलिमेंट की सर ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट एक साथ चेंज होती है ना सर?
Yes, yes, yes. Disproportionation reaction. Okay, so just let us discuss about one example for each, and we'll be discussing that whether oxidation is taking place or not. So let us take an example of combination reaction. So do you remember any example for this combination reaction, children? Yes, I do remember.
So CaO plus H2O gives CaOH2.
अरे कोई इजी सा देखते हैं. चलो ये ले
Sir,
लेते हैं.
formation of carbon dioxide.
अरे वाह, very good. So this is what beta? This is carbon dioxide. So here this carbon is in what? This carbon is in elemental form, right? इसको हम solid
Yes,
भी
sir.
लिख सकते हैं. This can be written as gas. Okay, and this is again gas. So its oxidation state is what? Its oxidation state is 0, and here
0.
oxygen is what? Oxygen's oxidation state is also 0.
0.
And what about this carbon dioxide? So here this oxygen shows
कार्बन
minus
में +4 हो जाएगा
-2 oxidation state,
और ऑक्सीजन माइनस.
and carbon will show +4 oxidation state. Is it clear?
Yes sir.
Okay, तो यहाँ पर अब क्या हो रहा है बेटा? Here carbon undergoes what? So oxidation state of
Oxidation.
carbon changes from 0 to 4, means increase in oxidation number. Increase in oxidation number means oxidation. And if we
Oxidation.
talk about oxygen, so here it changes from 0 to -2.
Reduction.
So it is decrease. So here it is reduction. If we talk about decomposition reaction, so let us take an example of decomposition
सर
reaction.
वाटर का ब्रेकडाउन.
हाँ, water is the it is one of the simplest. मतलब simplest तो easiest हम कह सकते हैं, simplest तो नहीं कह सकते ना, क्योंकि आसानी से होने वाला नहीं है. 2H2
Yes.
plus O2. So here this hydrogen is having +1, oxygen shows -2. Here it is 0, here it is again 0. तो ये balanced है. हाँ, अभी balanced है. So here what is taking place, children? Hydrogen changes from +1 to 0. So this is what? Decrease in
Reduction.
oxidation number. So this is a reduction.
Reduction.
Then we have carbon which changes from -2 to 0. It means here increase is taking place.
Oxidation.
So it is oxidation. Then we have displacement reaction. So in displacement reaction, we are having an example of what, children? We are having an example of zinc,
Zinc plus Al.
copper sulfate, and this gives us zinc sulfate plus copper. So this is solid, This is aqueous condition. This is aqueous condition. This is solid. So here zinc is having what, 0, and after reaction zinc changes into +2. Copper is having +2 oxidation state, and after reaction its oxidation changes into 0. So zinc changes from 0 to +2. It means it is oxidation, and copper changes from +2 to 0 means decrease in oxidation number. It means it is reduction. Fine, children?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we'll be discussing about disproportionation reaction. So what are these disproportionation reaction, children? If we talk about disproportionation reaction, so these are reaction in which same species undergoes oxidation as well as reduction. So such reaction we call it as disproportionation reaction. So we have an example of H2O2. So this H2O2 decomposes to give us H2O, and what it gives, yes children, H2O2, it reacts to give us H2O plus half of O2, right? या फिर हम इसको
Yes.
सीधे सीधे लिख दे 2H2O2, 2H2O and 1O2. So before reaction, its oxidation state is what? Before reaction, oxidation state of oxygen is -1, and after reaction, its oxidation state changes into -2. And the same here, it changes into 0. Means oxygen, in one case, its oxidation state changes from -1 to -2. So here decrease is taking place. So it is reduction. And again, in another case, its oxidation state changes from -1 to 0. So here increase is taking place. So this process is oxidation. So it is oxygen, right, children? It is oxidation which undergoes both oxidation as well as reduction. Is it fine, children?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, that's good. If you don't have any doubt, then it's